No, what? What did you choreograph?
No.
This motherfucker. Stop. Have you never seen Seinfeld? Still don't understand what we're doing, Cora.
We were dancing.
You just came over here to like fuck with my head.
It might be. Who told you this?
What?
Who told you this? Who told you this? Wake up. Peter, you've been asleep for 5 years. Peter, wake up. I don't even know if I want to have you dance anymore.
Oh no, you can't. Because I did it so lightly, I feel like. You were like...
You drew. I told you I didn't plan anything.
You did tell me that. I think... Fuck you. Oh my god, I just figured out what I'm gonna do.
Why'd you tell the camera like...
I'm a ham? I don't remember. And it's unimportant.
Because you keep looking at the camera.
Shut up. Sorry. That also sounds super
Do an
complicated.
action thing.
Because it's like... Title.
I was trying to tell you that genre is not real the other day.
You made a compelling argument. Obviously, I'm gonna make a sides. So, is it that unusual? Call the number below.
Standing up's exhausting.
Willing to get exhausted.
Compound word.
What is this, Jeopardy? That's a compound word right there.
I love Jeopardy. I'm gonna start crying. LeVar Burton hosted for like a week. Oh, I love LeVar Burton. Jordy in Star Trek. Also, Reading Rainbow.
I never watched it.
Get out of my house. Jordy LaFord. And he has the visor.
Oh.
I love Jordy.
I'm not a big Star Trek fan.
Caught that on camera.
What if we did like a fake talk show?
The one with like Bigfoot. Sorry.
I've told you that my dad is like an avid Bigfoot believer.
And rightfully so. Bigfoot's real.
You should make a Bigfoot documentary. Hunting
I
for
should.
Bigfoot.
But I don't want to spend too much time in Washington because it's haunted.
What? DC?
Washington. Bitch! I'm sure Washington DC's haunted too.
And this is why I hate women.
That's making
I
a final
don't
cut.
cut that out.
Like, here's live video footage of Peter Peterson in a Chipotle last semester, about one day after the incident.
I would just like to apologize specifically to women.
I want to throw water in someone's face again.
Down to be watered in the face.
You hate women.
No.
Washington's haunted. New
What?
Mexico's also deeply haunted.
Yeah, isn't like every place like
No.
kind of haunted?
Not as haunted as Washington and New Mexico. Or Vermont.
I can't tell if that was a joke or
It
not.
wasn't a joke!
You said Vermont like it was like a sinister place.
It is
Vermont.
beautiful. There's like a specific like triangle in Vermont where it's like, oh fuck, like
That's
a
kinda
bunch
cool.
of bad things still happen there.
Make a film about it
Also,
called the
the
Vermont.
Great Lakes are haunted too. Stop laughing at me. There is shit in Lake Erie. Also, the Loch Ness Monster is an ancient god, worshipped by the Picts. I will not be taking any questions.
On Mothman.
The Mothman Museum.
Yeah.
Like, this was like a last picture.
Like on the news report.
I wonder what it sounds like to my neighbors when I drop my bike down the stairs.
Probably pretty distressing.
It's phalanges.
You hate that word?
Shout out to Zach. We're still friends. It's fine.
Oh, okay.
Water on my pants too. There's still water. What were you gonna do?
I was gonna drink it.
You watched me bring it to my mouth.
I'm just saying. I'm a good person.
I didn't mean to start laughing. You are. There's no water in this.
Brainstorm.
Literally that entire
Oh,
conversation
yeah.
got derailed. It stopped brainstorming so fast. It didn't even rain. Taking short shorts, yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Not like Daisy Dukes.
Daisy Dukes bikinis on top. Counting for just undeniable. Can you catch things? Like, I said we're talented.
Wow, Pete, you're such a great ally. But not to women.
Yeah.
You shouldn't say anything.
I stand by every single thing I say here. This is Pete Peterson, and I approve this message. I'm sorry. What if we made a stop motion thing?
What's your favorite Quentin Tarantino film?
Pulp Fiction. The hyperviolence is a commentary.
You sound like the Joker right now.
Another excellent film.
God, he's just like me for real.
Two great philosophers engaging in some mental sparring.
I'm gonna sneeze.
What?
It was relevant, I swear, but it still felt a little silly.
Are we supposed to be brainstorming?